everybody, I'm gardening. That's the first time I've ever said that. I am not a gardener. I haven't been gardening, but it is so beautiful outside. I decided this is the time for me to start. So the first thing I did was order some tools, and I think I found the perfect ones. I have this tool that's made, it's I don't know what this is called, but it's the handle is made with a curve so that it really is easy to grip. And then the back has an indentation, really makes you feel secure. In addition, it's very, very lightweight, which I love. And the material is wonderful because when you're outside gardening, things have a tendency to get wet, including the handle of your tools. So this kind of rubber keeps it from slipping, which is so critical. I just love it. And as I said, I'm just beginning. So if you guys have used any tools that you love, please send them to me. Let me know all about them and we'll test them. These tools that I bought come in. Oh, I love this spoon. I guess it's a spade. I really have a lot to learn here, but it has numbers on it. So I guess when you're planting bulbs or whatever, it shows you the depth. Anyway, this is my first foray into gardening. Wish me luck.